Who's working to create a cancer-free world for people like you? People like him, Peter Beshay, a graduate student at The Ohio State University.
I feel very lucky that I can work on such very challenging topic, and I really feel like I'm doing something helpful.
A native of Egypt with undergraduate and graduate degrees in mechanical engineering, Peter's been awarded a Pelotonia Fellowship grant for his research on how forces of motion enable cancer to spread throughout the body.
When you think about mechanical engineering, the first thing that comes to your mind is cars, stuff that moves, stuff that actually put forces on other stuff. And this is actually what we're looking at when we're studying cancer. We are applying all these general concepts, but on a very micro scale on how cells behave.
Peter hopes his research will eventually lead to a better understanding of how cancer cells from one area of the body spread to other areas.
So when we look at how blood flows in our arteries and veins, this flow usually causes actual forces on the cells near these arteries. So the ultimate goal of my research is to really understand how these forces act on tumors and how they help the cancer spread. And this is going to be the first step for us towards basically eliminating these forces and trying to control cancer invasion and spread.
Breast cancer is the current focus of Peter's research, but his findings could extend to other cancers as well.
This also applies to other kinds of cancer like pancreatic cancer and any cancer types that metastasizes using the same mechanism.
Peter has lost one grandmother to cancer, and now his remaining grandmother is battling the disease. She's on his mind as he pursues his research.
I can't really be in the lab without thinking about my grandmother and millions others who are really suffering from this disease. And even though I'm not really developing drugs or anything like that, but we're just each contribution towards understanding this disease a little bit more certainly helps.
Pelotonia and the James at Ohio State, granting hope to cancer patients and to the people working to create a cancer-free world.